How to fix Facebook ID verification on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps, and on apps guys you will scroll down and go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook guys, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to storage, and on storage you will go to clear data like this and click OK. And that's it guys, your problem will fix it. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.